Oh, Indian railway station. We're 2 hours delayed. And waiting for our train. It's madness. So many people. And trains are, you know, first class. They look lovely. Rich has gone off to buy some crisps. So, here we are. On the railway station. It's mental. Very nice. No, it's not very nice. It's a bit stressful. Oh, we don't even know what end of the train we're supposed to be on. It's supposed to be first class H something A1, but we don't know if we're the wrong end or the right end of the platform. We'll keep you posted. £40 on the train. This is us. This is Rachel in the mirror of our little
deluxe train apartment.
It's not as bad as I thought. I thought we were going to be shared. Here we are on the train. It's a Kerela. It's a 15-hour overnight train, and we've got the bunk, which is just up here, and this one down below. And we've brought our bar along, so I think we'll be okay. So when we get there, we'll do a few more bits and bobs and show you what's going on. So far so good. We managed to get some train. Stressful. 3 hours late. Anyway, we're here now. So I don't know if you can see anything at all because there's a blue light. This is our bedroom setup. Bunk below, bunk above. Rach needs to be on the bottom bunk. Should be near the bar. So I'm good. But yeah, it's very cosy.
It's so
rattling along.
Love it.
Yes, this is ours. 2 in the morning, freezing to death in the hottest place in the world. The air conditioning is fierce. It wakes you up. We're cuddling up to not get hypothermia. And now we're sitting at the bar again. So we've got some drinks, so we're alright. Don't worry about us. It is so cold.
It's not.
It is. It's really cold. It's freezing. It is like being in Yorkshire in January. It's freezing cold. Anyway, here we are.
We're having a fab time on a sleeper train.
It's not fun at all.
We're about halfway through. It's about 3 in the morning.
But yeah, the actual train rolling bit thing's been fine, but it's gold. A huge train.
Your attention please. Train number 12218 Chandigarh, Kochveli, Sambar Gandhi Superfast Express